I'm in the 98 Eclipse Spyder GST, and I'm going to be changing the ignition. See, I have two keys, one for the doors and one for the ignition. If you watched the previous videos, I changed the ignition, actually the whole steering column, because when I bought the car somebody broke into it and it didn't have an ignition. I would have to start it with a screwdriver. And this is the original ignition. You can see the screwdriver marks. It's been beat up. So I'm gonna show on how to remove this from the steering column. To do this, you'll have to remove this lower cover here. I removed both. I mean, I really didn't have to remove the upper one, but I did anyways. Then I'm gonna grab the key. There's no battery, by the way. I think, yeah, this is a door key. So I'm gonna grab the correct key, put it in here, put it on ACC. Alright, see how it doesn't come loose? There's that little button right there has to be pushed, but it will only be pushed on ACC. So what I do is grab this little pick here, alright, you're gonna push on this right here, grab the key, wiggle it. Oh, better pull the pick out of there. And right there you can see it coming loose. Again, this is on ACC. And this is what we're left with. Okay, so here's the ignition. This is the one from the junkyard. Right now it's in the keys in the lock position. This right here is what locks it in place. If I try to push it, it won't push on lock. That's ACC. Oop, nope, this is ACC. Right there it pushes. And this is on. This is the on position. Doesn't push all the way down. That's why you gotta have it on ACC. Alright, to install this back in the car, this is the original from the car. This is the one the thieves damaged, but it still works. See? Anyways, you're going to put this on the accessory position, ACC. Make sure you can push on this right here where my thumb is. That should compress all the way down. We're going to take this and line it up, push it, turn it to the lock position, and you'll put the key back, stick the key back in, accessory, that's on. In the on position, you shouldn't be able to pull it out at all. So that's how I know it's in place. There's no battery, so that's why it's not doing anything. And that's it. Now I only need one key for the whole car.